Whenever children visit Port Wonder and the Children's Museum or the Louisiana Department of Wildlife and Fisheries Nature and Science Center, it's really a unique experience, especially if they're coming for the first time.
We wanted to provide the state of Louisiana, and particularly Southwest Louisiana, with a destination that incorporated everything we think that is fantastic and wonderful about Louisiana and the outdoors.
Our mission is always to educate children outside of the classroom in a safe, family-friendly environment with hands-on exhibits, learning programs, and just quality entertainment that is family-friendly.
It's all about getting the kids in the door and wanting them to wonder about the world around them. I want to drill in on the idea that this is very unique. It's a little bit of a first. We have a nonprofit, a children's museum, partnering with a state agency, partnering with a city. It's very unique how those agencies come together and provide this for the public is a blueprint that has never been written. The most challenging thing is you're really working with a lot of different groups, different subcontractors. 1220 was fantastic in that they knew exactly what our vision was, and they were the easiest of the groups to deal with. What I really enjoyed was professionalism of each of their employees. They were like a jack of all trades, but they really knew kind of their specialty, and their accessibility has been fantastic. What was consistent was their professionalism and their ability to solve the problem. Well, I think of challenges in 1220. Please look at the touch tank behind me and know that the walls were all up and everything was pretty much in place when they came in. So that's something that was solved and put into place. And then also the concept, we know what we wanted and they knew how to provide that. But then we also were paired with a children's museum, a lot of kids. So how do we just tweak those things to where we're serving our main constituent, which are children, and also have the display that we want? And that's where 1220 was very good at.
Here at Port Wonder, we kind of have a new slogan of it is a place to explore the world around you. The children, they think that it's like Wonderland. I like to compare this place to the magic of Disney, but in Southwest Louisiana. Whenever it came time to finding a fabricator for the designs, 1220 was highly recommended. Getting to meet the 1220 crew, to be honest, was one of the best experiences of my personal life. Each one of them kind of has their own specialty, but whenever they're together here on site, it's meticulous. It is almost like a composed dance that they do. So our trip to Nashville was a really memorable moment. Being able to go into the shop and tinker and play and just see everything that 1220 does was incredible. Being able to design something that will withstand the wear and tear of children playing with them on a magnitude of what a children's museum experiences is not the easiest of tasks. But 1220 made it very easy. You can tell that it was designed with intention, with love, creativity, but most of all, imagination to bring a concept that you learn in school to life for a kid to understand. Our goal is for it to be a magical facility where memories are made and something that will stick with you and you will treasure for a lifetime.